Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect OneDrive to PandaDoc. Now, if you just want to connect it to OneDrive, like you just want to upload a file, video, or image, you can just go ahead and open up one of your documents. Okay. Say, for example, you're currently editing your document. So go to the top, click on the plus icon that says content. Now go ahead and add in an image or video block. Okay. For example, image right here, click on it. Now here we have OneDrive, okay? Just tap on it, wait for the connect button to load and click on connect. Just sign in with your Microsoft account. Wait for it. Confirm. Accept. And just wait for it to load. As you can see, here I have my OneDrive folders, okay? That is it. Now another option is by integrating these two and making the workflow automated. Okay, to do that, just go ahead over to Zapier.com. If prompted to create an account, just go ahead and do so. It's pretty easy to make a Zapier account and it's totally free. Now, once you're in here in your dashboard, click on Create. Now click on Zaps. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go and select your trigger event. For example, OneDrive. Okay, select OneDrive. Now go ahead and connect your OneDrive account like so. Just log in and wait for the next page to load. Hit on confirm. Go on, scroll down and hit on accept to give the necessary permissions. Okay. Once that's done, choose a trigger event. For example, there's a new file in OneDrive. Okay. Hit on continue. Choose a folder from your OneDrive account. For example, I'm just going to select desktop. Continue. Test. Got a check mark, got to go ahead and move on to the next action, which is PandaDoc. Click on it. Now sign in with your PandaDoc account. Okay. Choose an action event. Okay. If there are a new file from OneDrive, what do you want to do next? Okay. What will happen? So you can go ahead and choose create a document, create a contact, create attachment, and some other options. Okay. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select create a document from a template. Click on it. Now, go ahead and hit on continue. Add a document name, for example, sample integration with OneDrive. Template, choose a template from your PandaDoc account. For example, this one. If you want to save it to a specific folder, you can go ahead and choose in this area, okay? I don't have a folder yet. If you do have one, just choose the folder that you want, okay? Employee email, for example, sampleemployee@gmail.com. Okay, the sender right here, which is you. And once done, tap away and hit on continue. That's the step. Wait for it. And as you can see here, we now got a check mark. That means that you are now ready to click on publish. Okay, once you hit on publish, everything right here will be automated and will be online. Okay, you can just easily close the Zapier website and just wait for the trigger event to happen, okay? Again, whenever there's a new file upload to your OneDrive account, Zapier will automatically create a document, just like what we have stated in the Zapier website, okay? When you check the test right here, go to inbox, it actually works, okay? And that is it. That's how you connect OneDrive to PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.